Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious recipe for garlic aioli. It has no sugar, salt, dairy, and it just takes a couple minutes to make. We love using this recipe as a dipping sauce for fried mushrooms or fried sweet potato fries, or even just like some fried shrimp or seafood. It's just so yummy. So first you're just going to get 1 clove of garlic and peel it and chop off the end, and you're going to mash it up. I like to use a mortar and pestle. Okay, we're going to mash it until it becomes a paste. Okay, so it's starting to become a paste, and I am just going to scrape the side of this and mash those pieces in. A little more. So see, that has really become a nice paste, nice and smooth. And so I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of avocado mayo, then 1/8 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. And then I like to add in some fresh dill. I don't have any of that right now, so I'm just going to add in a little bit of some dried dill. And then we just stir that all together. There you have it. The most simple and delicious recipe for garlic aioli, and it just takes a couple of minutes to make. Enjoy!